It's a question that comes up many times during workshops on feedback-informed treatment. Does FIT work for everyone and in all situations? I can tell you what the research evidence indicates. For example, studies by Wolfgang Lutz out of Germany indicate that the vast majority of clients like engaging in feedback-informed treatment, on the order of something like 90%. But usually this question is associated with a particular mindset, one that thinks in terms of diagnostic categories. That means that the question is often asked, does this work with, say, mandated clients who are forced to be in treatment, clients with a major mental illness diagnosis like schizophrenia or substance abuse or in statutory services. Questions about whether you can use the measures with clients who are in crisis are also quite common. What I can tell you is that clinicians are using feedback-informed treatment in all of those situations just mentioned. So, can FIT be used in all situations with all clients? That leads me to today's FIT tip and a fundamental principle of feedback-informed treatment. Instead of asking, will it work with this client or that one, this setting, or that particular diagnosis, what the clinician contemplating the use of FIT should ask is, can the feedback provided alter what follows in terms of service provision? If the answer to that question is no, well then why ask for feedback? This is why sending out a survey after treatment is completed makes very little sense. Why should the client invest their time in helping you improve a service that they're no longer receiving? Sometimes at workshops, clinicians will talk about a particular grant that indicates that they need to work with clients for a given length of time, 12, 15, 20 visits. My question is always, even if it's not working? Once at a workshop, a variation of this question came up that went something like this. We do single session therapy. Should we be doing FIT? My question was, can you change your mind? In other words, could you see the client 2 times instead of 1 if that's what their feedback indicated was necessary? Of course, if the answer to that question is no, then why ask for the feedback?